So hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel again. So guys, in this video we will see how to fix automatic reply not working in your Outlook app out of the message. So guys, if your automatically reply maybe fail due to the account type limitation, sync issue and the server or the incorrect settings. First of all guys, check if your account support the automatic reply or not. So guys, automatic reply supports only Microsoft 365 accounts, Exchange account and Outlook.com accounts. Your POP3 accounts or IMAP accounts are not supported. Okay. Another thing is, guys, you try to enable automatic if you are using the personal uh, account. So instead of enabling the automatic reply, you set the rule. For set the rule, here it not available in your application. Here you check. We are going to the settings. In the when we are moving to the mail section, so there is no option about rule. But you open your Chrome and you use the Chrome web version of your web Outlook and you get this option. So I'm just open outlook.live.com and I'm entered the credentials and I'm logged in. After that, click here and guys, you go to the option. First, you open it into the desktop site. When it is open into the desktop site, wait for a few seconds to completely open and its interface look like this. After that, click on your profile. Okay, and guys, here you see the option of setting. So here is not, so you just click here. Okay, so guys, the setting icon is behind this logo. So you just try to click on the settings. So unable to click it. Okay, now I'm clicked it properly. So guys, here you simply go back and make it to the normal. Simply click here, and here you see the option of settings. In the settings section, guys, here you see the option of automatic reply. Just click here and turn it on and reply to everyone, and here you thank you for reaching. Okay, so just click it and mark, and your automatically reply is saved. And here, this is the way that you can do. Okay, another thing is, guys, you try to update your application once. Sometimes the older version create this issue. For this, simply open the Play Store. Okay, just go search and go here, and here you simply search the option of Outlook application. Here you update your app. Okay, and guys, still having the issue, so guys, you try to check your internet connection. Sometimes the unstable internet connection creates such type of issues that not give the proper reply to mail. Okay, and you try to uh, re-log in your account. Okay, so just sign out from the account and again try to log in. Sometimes these are the minor steps help you a lot for fixing this issue. Okay, so guys, this is the way that you can done. And guys, thank you and have a nice day. And guys, subscribe our YouTube channel for the further informations.